Hi, good afternoon. My name is Amit Bansal and I'm from SQL Server Geeks. And I have Lakshman from S&P Capital IQ participating in this conference as a silver sponsor and also a speaker. Lakshman, thank you very much for attending SQL Server Geeks Annual Summit. How are you enjoying the conference?
It's very good. This is probably the largest crowd that I've seen in India, right? I have been to SQL Pass, and sure, that's an international conference, but this is huge. This is huge, and this is the first conference in Asia. I'm really excited to be here. Thanks for really having me, and we're really proud to kind of be part of this conference as a sponsor, right? So I have my session in the afternoon. I'm really looking forward to speak to a great audience.
Great, Lakshman. So, Lakshman, did you get enough time to network and interact with attendees overall in these 1.5 days?
Oh yes. So we have a lot of people showed up at our booth, and so it's mostly, the fun part is it's mostly my gang, my own gang. But then we started getting into discussions. Okay, what did you learn from that session? What did you learn from this session? And then we were trying to correlate like what we do at our office. And then somebody kind of comes in between and then says like, what do you do? Like, what do you do in that situation? What do you do in this situation? So it's pretty nice. Yeah.
Did you are S&P Capital IQ, as I know, works a lot on SQL Server, so it was very definitive that you will be participating in a conference of this scale and stature. Apart from you as a sponsor, did you also get opportunity to talk to other sponsors and exhibitors, and was there something to learn from like HP, SanDisk, Melissa Data, Microsoft?
Yeah. So I had a good interaction with SanDisk yesterday, but yeah, so Microsoft is anyway the platform, right? So there is definitely I spoke to Sanjeev yesterday from SQL CAD, and I spoke to SanDisk. I mean, we use Fusion IO. And now Fusion IO is part of SanDisk, so I get to know what they're doing in India, like what kind of customers are adopting SanDisk. So it was good. I didn't get a chance to interact with HP yet, but we are heavy on HP, both on the servers and storage space. So I'll definitely try to catch up with them today. Yeah, it's good. I mean, I got some deep insights onto what SanDisk is doing going forward, and their cool new storage, which is a 3U unit and hosts about 500 terabytes.
Perfect.
Pretty cool. Yeah.
So few last words, Lakshman. What would bring you back to this conference next year, and any message for the SQL community in India and Asia?
I think so. We have definitely great audience, right? And you hosted it really well, so I appreciate that. So we have international conferences, which is speakers from international conferences. So that's really great. I kind of really love it. I don't know if I really need anything more to be here next year, but I think. Probably the message could be, I think India as a whole still has a lot to learn in database administration overall in a space, and I think these kind of conferences are perfect platform to get a wider context. So you mentioned in your kind of speech today, it's not just about depth, it's like people also need to kind of breadth, right? It's very important to know what we don't know so that we can enhance our skills and then prepare for tomorrow. And these conferences are the perfect platform for those kind of stuff. So I would definitely encourage people to kind of sign up for these kind of conferences. So I would expect more number of audience next year. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Lakshman. You have a great day and rest of the conference. Enjoy, and just glad that you are here. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.